Section 7. Leading the charge. Comparing the EV6 to its competitors. The electric vehicle market is becoming increasingly competitive, with new models being launched all the time. However, the 2024 Kia EV6 stands out from the crowd with its unique blend of style, performance, technology, and value. Compared to its key rivals such as the Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Kona Electric, and Volkswagen ID.4, the EV6 offers a more daring design, a more engaging driving experience, and a more comprehensive suite of features. Its ultra-fast charging capabilities also give it an edge over some of its competitors. While other electric vehicles may excel in certain areas, the Kia EV6 offers a well-rounded package that is hard to beat. It's a car that appeals to both the head and the heart, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to make the switch to electric. Section 8. Why the EV6 is the future. Conclusion and call to action. The 2024 Kia EV6 is more than just a new car, it's a statement of intent. It represents Kia's commitment to a sustainable future without compromising on the things that matter most to drivers: style, performance, technology, and value. The EV6 is a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. If you're looking for a car that's both stylish and eco-friendly, powerful and efficient, technologically advanced and practical, the Kia EV6 is the perfect choice. It's a car that will turn heads wherever you go, while also reducing your carbon footprint. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the Kia EV6 for yourself. Visit your local Kia dealer today to schedule a test drive and discover the future of driving. You'll be amazed by what this groundbreaking electric vehicle has to offer.